Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoins Briefing. So in this video I'm going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale which is known as Insider. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So here we are on the website of Insiders. You can check out the Insiders movement. Their pre-sale is currently live on the PINKSALE. Secure your INS tokens at exclusive pre-sale rates and participate in their journey as well. Down here you can check out the Insider platform, the ultimate destination for transparency, education and insider insights. Access critical insider data, stay informed on insider trades, market trends and track key updates effortlessly all in one streamlined platform. So you can check out the frequently asked questions as well. If you check out the about section, you can check out Insiders is a movement dedicated to educating, informing and raising awareness by sharing critical insiders information, and their insider dashboard make complex data clear, understandable and easy accessible, ensuring you are always informed. Join their community to stay ahead and advocate for transparency. So let's check out the Insider platform. You can check out currently available features, which includes detailed executive trading reports including shares, trade amounts and dates, earning reports and lobbying activity with the AI powered breakdown for clarity, ETF holdings and real-time changes in the portfolio composition, insider board reporting, highlighting suspicious trades flagged for potential conflicts of interest, near earnings reports and lobbying activities. Also you can check out community engagement, crypto portfolios, interactive bubble maps, visualizing wallet construction and token uploads. Also you can check out upcoming features such as user to user chat messaging and group chat functionality, interactive calendar featuring earning reports, custom events as well as reminders, task management tools and reports, personalized watch list for your favorite stocks and cryptocurrencies, in-depth profile views of Congress and executive insiders, tracking historical data, returns, current holdings and investment overlaps and much more. So you can check out all powered by INS utility token. So now let's check out their pre-sale page, and here we are on the PINKSALE and you can check out Insiders. Pre-sale is currently trending number 2 on the PINKSALE. The product has been audited and you can check out the pre-sale will end in almost 25 days. You can check out they had raised 6.42 ether so far. If we scroll down, you can check out unsold tokens will be burned. Soft cap is 8.6 ether, hard cap is 34.4 ether. Liquidity lockup time is 1 year. Listing liquidity percentage is 100%. Also you can check out the current contributors as well. The pre-sale is looking really good because it has been audited, so you can consider it safe and do some own research as well. You can also check out more details. So now let's come back to the website and go back and check some more details, such as you can check out their about section in details such as who they are, what they offer, each and everything is shown here. Let's check out their story. Insiders was born out of shared frustration with rampant inside abuse and systematic unfairness plaguing traditional financial systems. They recognize the need for genuine transparency, integrity and equal opportunities. Driven by this mission, they have built a robust platform committed to empowering everyday individuals by shining a light on insiders' activities, holding power accountable, as well as fostering a fair, informed community. So that's really good. You can check out 4 values includes transparency above all else, integrity and accountability, community empowerment, and much more. So make sure to join their social media handles such as X handle, Telegram, Reddit, Instagram, as well as YouTube. So do some own research as well about this product. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel, and if you like this product, you can participate into this pre-sale as well. This video is just for educational purposes, so do your own research as well. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.